Promoting low ticket products, YouTube Shorts is one of the best free ways to drive sales if you know how to use it right. Start with a fast take in the first 2 seconds, show the problem or instant results your product delivers. For low ticket items, impulse is everything. So make it visual, fast, relatable. Use trending sounds, bold on screen text, always in with a soft CDA like got this on Amazon or even link in bio. People trust real reactions more than polished ads. So keep your style casual and phone chat. Drop 1 to 2 shorts a day. Value matters. Use keywords in your title and hashtags like affordable finds or under 20 to land in search and suggested feeds. The more you show it in action, the more likely viewers are to click without even thinking twice. If you want 5 proven video hooks that convert or a done for you script pack, a like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the product niche you are in. I'll go ahead and get all those things done for you right. And until then, you guys go take care of yourself and make sure you don't stop making those videos.